Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. But if you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button and your like button so you can help this channel to grow. In this video, let us talk about the emerging company based here in Canada. This stock, guys, has a huge runs, having 206% increase to its share price when it closed at $1.88 last December 31, 2019 when compared to market price it had posted last September 30, 2020 at $5.76. It has 52-week low of 65 cents and 52-week high of 10.08 last July 14. Although the stock price had decreased to as much as $3.91, but since then, it's now playing at price range of $5 to $6 since the month of August. Therefore, at current price of $5.76, a return to 52-week high means an upside potential of 75%. However, is 10.08 the maximum price that this stock can run? I think not, because the company is actually playing on the field of augmented reality, which could be the next technology to rise as the industry is expected to grow further even after COVID-19. As per the research of Market and Markets, the augmented reality opportunity is estimated to grow at compound annual growth rate of 46.6% from $10.7 billion in 2019 to reach by $72.7 billion by 2024. The Canadian company that I'm referring to is NexTech AR Solutions. Yes, you heard it right. The company that I'm referring is NexTech, which is being listed on Canadian Stock Exchange as NTAR.CN, while in the over-the-counter in the United States as NEXCF and France Stock Exchange as N29. It positions itself to technology, to e-commerce, learning applications, and enhanced video conferencing and virtual events. Meanwhile, its listing to NASDAQ exchange is imminent as registration statement was filed on September 15, 2020. Until then, when it gets approved, its ticker will be NTAR or NTAR. The success of this listing can signal the company's breakthrough as it can gain higher public exposure and access to large source of capital, the United States, where most institutional investors are located, like Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, which one of their ETFs focused is investing on technological innovation. Speaking of innovation, NexTech has advanced augmented reality and video learning experience platform for events called Inferno AR. It is a SaaS video platform that integrates interactive video, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality in one secure platform. It allows every organization the ability to create the world's engaging virtual event management and learning experiences. According to Grandview Research, the global virtual events market was valued in 2019 at $77.98 billion to grow at compound annual growth rate of 23%. That is, it could reach to $413 billion in 2027. And yes, NexTech could be a follower or a challenger to number one, or what we know as a famous Zoom. Expect as well a significant growth in Q3 to Q4 as NexTech had booked $900 million of total bookings in September 1 to 22 of 2020 for its Inferno AR. It also have significant steps to offer its services internationally, as NexTech already had registered to engage code for doing business with international governments, NATO commercial and government agencies globally. The most promising product solution of NexTech is their platform AR for e-commerce. It is a powerful tool for end-to-end augmented reality platform which is designed to increase online sales, engagement, and conversion through the use of 3D web augmented reality, which can create excitement and captivating shopping experience. And personally, I love it. According to Statista, retail commerce worldwide will hit $6 trillion in 2023. And to spice it up, the company launches Genie in the Battle, a human hologram in the form of an interactive dietitian named Nora. It shares nutritional insights and information with customers. They will use it first on their newly developed organic human supplement True Life this month, October or late this month. To know more about Nora, watch this.
Hey, thanks for letting me out of the bottle. It was really cramped in there. My name is Nora. I'm a registered dietitian, and usually I'm here to explain the benefits of dietitian.
This innovative offering, if marketed properly, let people know across the globe using social media advertising. Reaching as many people as they can could be a game changer in the industry. Actually, the Genie can encompass every other industry, especially to products which calls for assembly and demonstration. That is, instead of looking and trying to memorizing each steps, reading each manuals, a hologram will now tell you what exactly to do. And yes, someone dictating you the process is easier than reading the manuals. It can also compete against 3D instruction companies, this time at a higher level with human interactions via hologram, of course. Henceforth, the opportunity on this offering is relatively wide, especially when companies can create their own Genie, being customized according to its branding. Not to be outdone, the company is continuously being aggressive in acquiring new company, just like in September 9, 2020 when it acquired the fastest growing e-commerce software platform named Next Level Ninjas, which matches brands and products testers on its VIP product tester site, helping brands gain business momentum. NexTech also acquires AirShow, the music industry AR app which can turn everyone's favorite artist into a live hologram which they can interact with in any time. And actually, in my point of view, if they can turn this app into a social application like TikTok, in which a creator can interact via a hologram while singing, dancing, and dub mash, it could be a huge hit. While also having a SaaS model on its AR music for unlimited access for a monthly tier, then this app or this segment couldn't be big like Spotify. NexTech has various revenue streams across AR solutions in e-commerce, enterprises and product training, advertising, marketing, and their RTIs 360, as well as virtual events such as conferences, trade shows, and education in other products in vacuum cleaners and parts, health supplements for animals and humans. Remarkably, NexTech's product offering has a lot of potentials. The technology of augmented reality can be the next big wave of the stock market, which we can be called as AR stocks. The company had already positioned itself in media, apparel, auto, health, advertising, corporate events, and education. Notably, their existing clients or their former clients has been Bell, New Balance, Mr. Stick, Johnson & Johnson, Ryerson University, Toyota, Dell, and IBM. With this, we can see that the market feasibility of this offering is looking good, making the growth of NexTech from being a small cap being valued at $397.78 million to become a large company soon. Who knows, it can be like the next Shopify of Canada. It's just the matter of time that this company can reach its peak having strong fundamentals. As of June 30, 2020, it has current ratio of 2.99. Remember that the ideal ratio is 2:1. Almost no liabilities with debt-to-equity ratio of 0.24 compared to normal average of 1.5. While having total ratio of 5.20, which means that the company has $5 of every asset that they have to pay off its debt. Their gross profit margin is 58% as of June 30, 2020, which actually increasing from 41% last year of the same period. Although its net loss had increased to 3,364,408, to me, this is fair enough to have this type of increase on their net loss as a growth company when it have only a 2,224,449 in June 30, 2019 because it need to invest in sales and marketing as well as research and development heavily. Worth noting that their revenue growth year over year is 233% for the month ended June 30, 2020. So guys, the key takeaway here is that buying this stock in 2020 is highly advisable when the price is sitting around $5 or to $6 because it has an upside potential, especially when this stock gets listed to NASDAQ. Imagine how much the spike on that share price. Maybe next year, this stock could be around $15. Or it can be $20. No one knows, right? But I have the feeling that this one could be more than $15 by next year, first half of 2021. Many may say or argue that this stock is expensive now or overvalued as the price to sales ratio of 35. But remember that Shop is selling at 80.73 times over its sales. So that's all for today, guys. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, please click the subscribe button and your like button so you can help this channel to grow. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my upcoming videos for having an opportunity to investing a worthwhile stocks. See you again next time. Remember that I'm uploading a video once or twice a week.